Thank you so much for joining us in the inaugural. Dr. Bishwajit Saha, Director in Training and Skills CBSC, and we'll be hearing from him on building skilling mindset of students in schools, role of innovation. Over to you, Dr. Bishwajit Saha.
Proud privilege for me to be here with you this morning. At this point of time, India, one way it is looking into this new education policy implementation, and special focus is there how we can create growth mindset in the school ecosystems and also in the higher education ecosystem, so that integrations of this mindset can co-create a atmosphere and environment for innovation in the school campus. So here at Central Board of Secondary Educations, we have started introducing skill module besides all our academic subjects as a part of multidisciplinary approach of education right from the class 6 onwards. So it's a 12 hours module which will some way ignite the young minds in terms of doing something on their own hand. And also one way we are trying to focus upon all the new technology. At the same time, Indian heritage, design thinking, and traditional approach of financial market, each and every component we try to configure it as a part of the curriculum. And later on, when they switch over to class 9, before that, I think they would be confident to look into the learning outcomes of those subjects and create a kind of mapping with the curriculum, so that ultimately they can push their agenda and discuss with the parents in terms of what career choice they like to take it forward while completing 10 plus 2. So with the implementations of NEP, I think there is a huge directions given to higher educational institute also and school education department, that how we can create a national curriculum framework for school education integrated with the higher education, and which in turn look into the aspect of cross mobility. It is both horizontal mobility as well as vertical mobility. Now, that way, I think it is all together how we can integrate with the different department, both private and public, and interlinkage of polytechnic, engineering college, university with the school, along with the local entrepreneurship, so that the concept of bagless day and back full day, of course nowadays it is very much we are thinking on other domain, because children are not actually wearing any bag because most of the time they are spending on screen. So considering each and every aspects of life, maybe post 22 there would be a situation where how school student can register patent. Now, I was listening that in the morning sessions, Director of Government of Gujarat, Director Higher Education Government of Gujarat, that how the Gujarat has created a kind of atmosphere through which the student, both from the higher educational institute, from their idea to prototype they can create. Similarly, at CBSC, with the help of Ministry of Education and AICT, we are now training 50,000 innovation ambassadors whose primary responsibility would be to create idea lab in the school. And through that, these two teachers, they are going to train the peer teacher and also discuss with the student their idea, and through the design thinking process, how this idea can come as a prototype. And of course, here with the help of a good number of institutions of higher learning, there would be a kind of cross pollination through which the student of school can also look into the environment and high-end laboratories of higher educational institute, and their idea how it becomes a prototype, and ultimately CBSE, AICT, and Ministry of Education with the support of school teacher will help them to register a patent for that. So that kind of activities are very much going on, and I strongly believe in days to come, with the support of all the institution of higher learning, Department of Higher Education, school education, local industry, I think we can create a kind of environment where the knowledge-based learning will shift towards a innovative way of teaching learning process. So let me pause here, and I wish through this kind of summit, it's a close network, and we can really work further to bring new innovation in the systems. Thank you very much, Shovik, for inviting me to the session.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bishwitsa. It's always enlightening for me to learn about various facets of your thoughts, which encapsulates thoughts behind CBSC when it comes to training and skills. And you talked about implementation of NEP is a good sign because it actually talk about integration of school education with higher education, and a new innovative approach has been taken. And you also talked about that how innovative minds and the entrepreneurial minds can be nurtured in the school level itself. And for that also, NEP focuses on that, and technology and innovation is going to play a very important role. And I'm sure your thoughts will have utmost importance for all the viewers watching this event today. Thank you so much, Dr. Bishwitsa, for joining us in inaugural.